The anhinga is a diving bird that spears fish underwater. Small barbs on its beak hold the fish after a strike. Natives call this bird the water turkey or snake bird because of its tail or the way it looks when sticking its head out of water. Anhingas share nesting duties when there are young. A flock of black skimmers. The lower part of the skimmer's scissor-like bill is longer than the upper. Trailing it along the surface, the bird snaps up small surface-feeding fish and shrimp. Shorebirds, such as the pelican, can also be found feeding in the shallow waters of the park. This white pelican literally scoops up fish on the surface of this freshwater pond. Some of the aquatic birds in the park eat nearly their own weight each day. Their whole life pattern seems to be at times a ritual of consumption. Wading birds, such as the egret, are superb fish-catching machines. Their stiletto-like bills seem to their very prey. Kicking through the mud to scare the fish up, these wood storks quickly snap at any fish touched by their beak. As many as 9 different species of heron can fish here. With a wingspan of about 6 feet, the great blue heron is amongst the largest birds in the park. One of the rarest birds in North America is the great white heron. These are its headquarters. Its appetite matches its size. This single bird will eat more than a ton of fish in a year. The water level is critical for birds that hunt entirely by feeling out their food. One of the most beautiful and unusual birds is the roseate spoonbill. The roseate spoonbill does not see the tiny fish and crustaceans on which they feed. They systematically flip up the bottom with their claws and swish their partially opened bills through the water. And when they feel a fish inside, the bill snaps shut in a fraction of a second. This bird, with its extraordinary spatulate bill, which seems to be constantly in motion as it seeks out small minnows, shrimps, and insects, one of the most unusual and colorful birds in the Everglades. The Everglades is unique. There is no other place like it on the face of the earth. So few places in America still exist where the product of millions of years of evolution is permitted to thrive. Yet it seems ironic that after these millions of years of dynamic harmony, this now fragile system exists only by the grace of man.